In today's video, we're going to be looking at this new product called Dancing Cartoons Repeats Talking Toy Electronic Plush Toys. Can sing record lighting battery USB charging early education funny gift. This is a winning dropshipping product because it tickles the fancy of kids. It's a toy that kids sings to and it replies back to them. As you can see in AliExpress. It currently has 4.7 star reviews with 1,291 reviews and 5,507 orders. It's specified on AliExpress that US $3 off every 30% spent. That is on this product. It sold at the rate of that cost price of the product is $11.54. You can also negotiate the price with the seller on AliExpress by contacting them. It comes in different color variation. 23 pieces available. Ships to the United States. You can also negotiate the delivery time with the supplier. Looking at the cost of this product, if it is truly sold, if after negotiation with supplier and it's sold at 11.54 USD, you can sell this product to your dropshipping store at the rate of $29.99 or $39.99, and your marketing strategy is going to be Facebook ads and Google ads as your marketing strategy.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.